Okay, been asked this question a bunch of times. I don't think I've ever done a video on it. I might have. I can't remember. 600 and some odd videos, so I'm not sure. In case I haven't, the EC and rest button in older Mercedes, and I guess up until, oh God, I don't know what year that goes to. Anyway, EC and rest button on your climate control. A lot of times they'll be the same button. They could be different buttons in older models. EC is the exact same as this button here, which is AC off. EC stands for economy mode, meaning that the air compressor, the air conditioning compressor, will not run ever. If you don't have that means air conditioning is off and the compressor is not on. It's fall, I don't need the compressor on. It saves fuel. EC for economy, saving fuel. If you don't have that button lit, the EC or the AC button, if it's not lit, that means that your compressor will run most of the time to condition the air, take the moisture out of the air. So for a little bit better fuel economy, leave that button on. Second button, sometimes attached to the same button, is the rest button. When your car is off, you have the key out, wintertime, whatever, it's cold out and you're running into a store for a few minutes, or you just want to leave your car and let it stay warm. Rest is a residual heat. You can push that, no key in the ignition, and it will continue to circulate warm air from the coolant inside the cabin to keep it warm, a little bit warmer than it would be if you hadn't pushed that button and left it on. And it'll only go for about 10 or 15 minutes, and it monitors your battery voltage, so it will not kill your battery. It won't run forever. Once it detects a low enough voltage in your battery, or that the coolant is no longer warm enough, it will turn itself off automatically. It just keeps your car a little bit warm while you're in somewhere, while you've popped in somewhere for a few minutes. And it is called rest. And it's available with the car off, and only then. And you can turn it on or off while the car is not running, and just lock the doors, leave, and it will continue to circulate at a lower speed. And that's it for the AC and EC and rest buttons in a Mercedes. Thank you for watching.